how millions of plastic bottles are transformed into beautiful carpets inside a massive RELOOPX recycling factory.
Welcome to the heart of the circular economy. Here at RELOOPX, we process thousands of tons of plastic every day, transforming waste into a valuable resource.
RELOOPX automated optical color sorting system, stream of mixed PET bottles feeding through high-speed camera scanning tunnel, digital color analysis system identifying each bottle color in milliseconds. Paper labels peeling away cleanly into separate waste channels, clean uncapped unlabeled bottles continuing along conveyor. Rotating mechanical heads removing plastic caps cleanly from each bottle. RELOOPX large industrial hot wash tank system, compacted PET bottle bales being broken apart and fed into enormous stainless steel wash tank filled with hot water at 85 degrees Celsius and food-safe detergent solution. Clear PET flakes feeding into large stainless steel hot wash tank filled with water at 80 degrees Celsius and industrial detergent. Washed PET flakes feeding into large spinning centrifugal drying drum rotating at high speed. Moisture being extracted completely from flakes by centrifugal force. Examining PET flake sample under spectrometer analysis equipment.
Check the temperature on zone 3. It's reading 260.
Verified. Stable extrusion.
The heating system raises the PET temperature to 260 degrees, completely melting the material into molten PET polymer. The transparent molten PET flows continuously from the RELOOPX extrusion, die head into the cooling water bath below. Hundreds of thin white polyester filaments traveling horizontally from spinneret through cold air quench zone, then wrapping around first set of stainless steel Godet rollers, spinning at 1,000 meters per minute, then onto second set of Godet rollers, spinning at 3,000 meters per minute, stretching filaments to correct diameter and molecular alignment.
We have an alert on line 7. The filament tension is high. Let's adjust the guide pressure.
Temperature is stable at 130 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is holding steady at 3 bar. The cycle is running smoothly.
All levels nominal on this run. Looks perfect, send it through.
Tufted carpet face down, moving horizontally under automated blade coater. Thin, even layer of eco-friendly latex adhesive applied precisely across entire carpet back surface by blade spreader, maintaining exact 1.5 mm coating thickness. A heated lamination roller operating at 140 dang firmly presses the two material layers together, creating a strong and permanent bond.
Stiffness is perfect. Yeah, completely cured.
Temperature holding steady at a 120. The tension on the polyester looks good.
Yes, the surging head is perfectly aligned.
We are ready for the next rotation.
RELOOPX Color Fastness Testing Laboratory. Xenon Arc Light Fastness Tester Machine. Simulating UV exposure equivalent to years of sunlight. Result achieving grade 7 on standard scale.
Quality check complete. GRS codes look good. Confirmed. System is running smoothly. We need to verify the sustainable certification codes. It's all logged here. The last pallet is going in now.
The vibrancy of these colors is remarkable. Yeah.
Absolutely, and knowing they are sustainably sourced makes them perfect for the project.
The projections for the next quarter are strong, especially with the new sustainable initiatives. Yes, the team is really responding well to the new environment.
As you can see from the data here, the sensor array detected a significant change when exposed to the catalyst.
And how did you calibrate the baseline measurement?
We ran 3 control trials first.